Okay, we're going to look at 4.2. This is about where the scenarios of running the football for 5 games and the whether you're going to run or pass. And then these are the question that asks, what is the probability the team will pass the ball on any given down? What is the probability the team will run the ball in its second down? So what I did was I made me you could open this in Excel. That's what I did. Actually, I think I made my own when I could have just opened it in Excel, so I made a little bit more work for myself. But anyway, here it is, the run, the pass. So this is the information given. What I always do is always like to get a total, a sum of the number of times run and a sum of the number of times passed and the total number of plays. So I always sum it down and I sum it across, because if you'll go ahead and do this when you're trying to compute your probabilities, it will make it a lot easier. So the first one is probability of pass on any down. So look at the total number of times you passed and divide it by the total number of plays. The total number of plays is the 313. So the probability that I will pass on any down is 0.668. We're rounding to 3 decimal places. The next one is the probability that I will run the ball and it is second down. So you want to look in the run column and then you want to go to the second down where there's two places where we have to look. We ran it 27 times when it was second and 6 or more, and 18 times when it was second and 5 or less. So we ran it a total of 45 times out of 313 plays. So the probability that I will run the ball and is second down is 0.144. Okay? Now, looking at the next one, the probability that I will pass the ball given third and 1. When it's listed like this, you want to go up to where it is third and 1. And we're saying that we're only looking at third and 1. So how many times total do we have at third and 1? 5 times. So how many of those 5 times did I pass the ball? 4 times. So 4 out of 5 is 80% of the time, 0.8. Now, the probability that I run the ball and it is first down. So go to first down and look at run, and it's 55 out of 313. So 55 divided by 313, and I would get 0.176. 0.176. You can see that for D. Okay, now let's look at E. The probability that I run the ball given it's second down and 6 or more. So second down and 6 or more, given that it is this. So out of those 80 times, how many times did I run the ball? I ran the ball 27 times. So do 27 divided by 80 and you get 0.34. Hold on, let me go back. My rounding, there we go. We can see 0.338. We want to round to the third, okay? Now, on the second part, I got in a hurry and marked the wrong one. But if you want to see the probability that we ran the ball, okay, the probability that we pass is 0.668. So the probability that we pass, we want it to be 0.668. See up here, I picked the wrong one. And that is pretty much all of question number 11, and that is how you work